By any means do you watch that YouTube channel Gyms If It Ain't Broke Fix It?
What kind of a stupid question is that? I thought everyone watched it.
Don't really need to know the whole story behind it. Like that. Put that down. Had to take the cover off my MG, so I decided to see if I can get it to start. But the problem is the battery was discharged enough that it just wouldn't turn it over. I don't have a disc in it. Okay, where is the other? I don't have.
11 o'clock, Watson. 11 o'clock, Watson. 11 o'clock, Watson.
I still have coffee left over from this morning.
So what you want? One bourbon, one scotch, one beer.
Okay, back to the MG. Okay, let's see how good I did. Ouch, still hot. Just all screwed up. Now let's see, where's that other nut? I just really messed this up with that. I shouldn't have used that. Sometimes you gotta think this stuff out a little better. And some days a person's just not smart. You guys are probably screaming at your screen. That's what's nice about the YouTube community. Oh, shoot. Oh, he's dropping stuff and I can't find it. There it is, right there. It was buried under some trash. I want to finish this project before I go on to too much more. Oh, it won't. What that old JB Weld? I don't really need that. There we go. I've got a new deal to do here is attach this. I might do that today since I have it on my mind. This it's a locking nut. This one's good for fitting it together. Now I got a JB Weld that, JB Weld this, so I'm just going to be JB Weld day. And then I've got a JB Weld this. JB Weld right here. JB Weld from before. Gotta get enough for both of these, but not too much so I waste it. There's more than enough right there. I need a drink after that.
11 o'clock, Watson.
Just coffee. I couldn't do this intricate, highly technical work if I wasn't sober or in my right mind or whatever they call it these days. Yeah, I probably made up too much. Just get it smeared all in there. Don't want to ruin this pristine, original, high-dollar mirror from my MG. Here goes nothing. Hope that's right. No, I hope it's going in. Like this, they just throw them away. They just get another one, but I don't like doing that. Not that I'm saying this is original and the 77 MGB is going to be worth any money, but it is to me. These people just throw them away, and got it from a friend of mine. He sold it to me and gave me a pretty good price. Old Bob back in Iowa. So breath mints, probably still good. I might keep those out here. There's no date on them. Another comb, that'll go into my collection of combs. I got a comb collection. I got the comb that George Harrison used to comb his hair with. Just kidding. Just kidding. There's some more jewelry from military. You can see that military intelligence. That's two words that don't normally go together some days, but there is some good intelligence, and I witnessed it too. Here's a 9-volt battery, the way you test those is got a little punch to it. Monday is my birthday. I'll be older than I was last year. I'm old enough to be on Social Security for a few years, but I'm enjoying retired life. I'm keeping busy. I really don't want to sit around all day and be a couch potato. I do watch a little YouTube. I've got that 77 MGB that I'm working on. The next thing on the MG is the brakes. I rebuilt the rear ones. I'm gonna move the camera. This is a bleeder I made. This is disc brakes, and this is the drum brake size. One container cost me maybe 50 cents. Now for your entertainment.
That's all, folks.